sausage and rice now. So the only thing I'm going to put, I'm not going to add anything, no sauce, no maggi. So let's show them what we have here. So I have my butter here. I melt it like I always said. And I have my sugar here. I have my powder milk. I have 2 eggs, baking powder with little pinch of salt. So now here is my flour. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today my children decided sausage roll for us today. I was like, okay, that is what I love to be doing. You call me, I answer you. So right now I'm about to start the sausage roll for them. So you guys should watch out for our sausage roll. Today is beautiful day of baking. So let's go. Don't go anywhere. I will be right back. Hey beautiful people. So today, you know what, like I said, my kids said they want sausage roll. I was like, okay, no, their mom is a chef, so I just need to do it as they said they want it, right? I told her to record it today. Oh yeah, so let's show them what we have here. So I have my butter here. I melt it like I always said, and I have my sugar here. I have my powder milk. I have 2 eggs, baking powder with little pinch of salt. So now here is my flour, and I'm about to measure the flour now. So because I want to do sausage roll today, they want sausage roll. So this is the sausage I'm using again today. And we are going to use 6.5 cup of flour. So 6.5. So we get 6.5 cup of flour, and the first thing I will do, I have 2 teaspoons of baking powder and a pinch of salt, and I have 2 tablespoons of sugar. I have 3 tablespoons of powder milk, and I have 2 eggs, and I have 300 grams of butter. So I'm going to use half cup of water. So I'm going to add half cup of water. And I will just pour it there as well. But before I start mixing it, let me go and perform hand hygiene. As you already know that I love to wash my hand before anything. So right now, I'm about to wash my hand. Yes, guys, thank you so much for your support. Always, thank you so much, guys, for watching my content and dropping nice comments for me. I really appreciate you all. Thank you so much. So right now, we'll just start mixing it up. So that's what we are doing now. We'll mix it up. So because I know the water is not enough, so I'm going to add water. So I'll just be using my brain to measure the water. If I notice that it's still thick, so I'll just add more water to it. Right now, okay. So I'm just using my brain to measure the water. So if it's too hard, I'm going to add more water. So right now, let me see. Yeah, I think it's okay now, so I don't need more water. I'll just try to mix it, right? Yeah. So that everything can be full in. Too watery. So I don't want something like that. So I want it to be a little thick. Because we are making sausage roll, not puff puff, yeah. So okay. So guys, at the end of the day, this is what we get. So this is what we get. You can see how firm it is, right?
Firm.
Yeah. Correctional officer is that. It's behind the camera. So anything I say, she must correct. Yeah. So guys, I'll just let this sit aside for 20 minutes, yeah, maximum. So right now I'll put it in the bag. So we're about to do our sausage roll. and I'm going to blend it. So guys, I'm just going to use so guys, I'll just put it on this bag so that it can relax for like 30 minutes, no 20 minutes rather. Yeah, so this is it. We are going to let it sit for 20 minutes, and now let's peel our sausage. So I discovered that the sausage that I bought is not skinless, so I have to peel it. You guys can see, so you want to move closer to it home so that you can see the way I'm peeling the sausage. Right, I'm done with this now, so let's put this to the side. So right now, so I need to, hey, this is my camera woman, can you move back a little bit? Hey, Jesus. So guys, so this is what we are doing. We are peeling the sausage here. You can see the skin. So this is what we are trying to peel out. So if you want to do your sausage roll, and if you get sausage that has skin, so what you have to do is to just peel it out so that it can give you,
let's peel it off.
Yeah, peel it, or anyone you see. So guys, see, so I'm just trying to peel everything up from the skin. You can see how the skin is brown, because we said we should use it like that, guys. It's going to make the sausage look so brown, and I don't want that. So that's why I'm trying to peel the skin off. So I just want to peel the skin off now. That's what we are doing. I hope you guys are enjoying this content. Please, if you are enjoying this content, kindly give us some likes, and if you have not subscribed, subscribe to this channel, guys, and don't forget to drop your comments there so I will read it as well. So I will rinse it, and okay, this one doesn't have skin.
Maybe behind the camera.
So guys, I'll just try this. Right? So guys, I'm about to blend my sausage now.
It's just like it's blending, but it gets stuck to the wall.
Yeah. Exactly. So guys, this is what we are doing. We are doing sausage roll. And sausage always takes time, because before you blend the sausage, well, it's not taking time though. It's the same process with meat pie, because meat pie too, you have to do the fillings, right? So I think the two are taking. So guys, welcome back. So now I finished blending my sausage, and right now, so the only thing I'm going to put, I'm not going to add anything, no sauce, no Maggi, because the sausage is already salty, right? The only thing I'm going to add, these are the two things I'm going to add, which is going to be onion powder and crushed pepper. So I'll just pour it through there, so that it can give the sausage nice aroma, you understand? So that's why I'm putting the onion powder there. And this crushed pepper, I'm going to put it there so that it can be a little bit spicy, so that it's not just, I don't want it to be too much, guys. So right now, the only thing I'm going to do, I'm just going to, I'm going to mix everything together, guys. So I'll just mix everything together. Yeah, my English teacher is in the building. Clear road for my English teacher. So right now, we are done with our sausage. So what's next now is to start our thank you, and let me see if I can film while doing this, because I don't want this content to be too long, guys. So let me see if it's not too long. I'm going to show how I'm going to bake it, and when everything is ready, I'm going to show you guys. I love you guys. Thank you. I'll see you shortly. Bye. Our camera woman, can you take it down, please? So guys, I'm back. I'm back to finish up my sausage roll. You know what? My camera woman says she's tired. So right now, I have to put my camera back on my stand so that I can film my thing by myself, guys. So I'm about to start my sausage roll. I will be right back to show you what I'm doing. I just want to put my foil paper on my tray. Yeah, let me show you guys what I'm doing. Yeah, so this is what I'm doing, guys. I just want to lay it. You know, guys, I always said I want to buy my chopping board, but I think at this stage now, I have to order it today on Amazon. So I already washed my hand, guys. So I already washed my hand, and right now I've just got my sausage. So I need to get that chop. Okay. So this is my egg. don't worry about it. Just leave me here.
Can you do this?
We're going to play. I don't know how I can get copyright.
You can get copyright on live. I don't know. But you did copyright on song.
Okay, so is that a song?
It's not song.
Okay, hopefully.
Okay, put my hair up, bro. Stop.
So when you run now. Don't try to go with once. What is it? Is your face not going to look so dirty there? Okay. Yeah, but like, you will have a professional. No, tell what do I teach you? Just not egg today, nothing. They sorry, my schedule, no. Because my delete. So my camera, my bathroom, boy. So I will be right back after everything is ready. And this is my sausage roll. Yeah, thank you. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. Please, I'm begging you, subscribe and support me. Yeah. And don't forget to subscribe and to also like. Bye. Can you do sausage roll for